And on the inside, each set has a blue and a red mark. The blue and red marks correspond exactly with the blue and red marks that are on the chassis. And then we'll snap on right over that and make sure that they match up. Okay?
Tighten it up against your activation point. And then now choose the emitter to complete that input. Okay, so I need the input. And then this goes on.
What the gatherers are doing is they're inserting your hilts into the crystal stabilization chambers to stabilize your crystals. And once again, this should only be done by a trained hand because it is very dangerous. It can result in an explosion, right, Tristan?
Unfortunately, you have us today. I had an hour of training, maybe? Excellent.
Good, good.
We have some beautiful sabers.
That's a good one, too.
Absolutely.
That one's me.
It is time to build the bond between the two crystals.
Well done. Chosen not only with skill you have, chosen with heart. When joined they are, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Wow. Master Yoda, the Force must be strong in this room. And now, builders, it is time to build the bond between Builder and Saber. And now, just as we started this journey together, we'll also finish it together. So in a moment, I'm going to ask you all to please take a step forward. Place your hands on your hilts and activate your lightsabers. But we will all do this together. Are you ready, builders?
Ready.
Take that step forward. Place your hands on your hilts and activate.
Oh!
Raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber. Who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Congratulations, builders.
That was quick.
Yeah!
Please deactivate your lightsabers. The bond has been built.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, you can. Choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders, for taking us out today. The lightsabers you have built are as unique and extraordinary as each and every one of you. Now, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power probably shouldn't be dropped on the ground. So, in order to protect your new lightsabers, we are pleased to present a saber sheath to you as you depart. Now, unfortunately, our time together has come to an end, but your journey is just beginning. It is time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. And who knows, perhaps someday we'll be telling your story. We wish you all a safe journey. And as we say here at Black Spire Outpost, till the spire.